An upstate employment attorney says the First Amendment offers limited protection to what people post online. And since Charlie Kirk's assassination, current and former employees of Clemson University and Greenville County Schools have brought attention to their comments online. Ray Arena reports on how what people say online can affect them at work.
Employment attorney Matt Osmond says that people can be terminated or disciplined over their social media posts, saying that whether or not they identify as an employee of that company, they are an extension of them and their brand. On Thursday, Greenville County Schools confirmed one of its teachers was no longer employed following a social media post he made following Charlie Kirk's assassination. On Friday, Clemson University addressed the professor's online comments, which South Carolina Attorney General Al Wilson, who is a candidate for governor, called vile and reprehensible. The university responded by saying they condemn expressions that glorify political violence and they will take appropriate action for speech that constitutes a genuine threat which is not protected by the Constitution. Osmond says that First Amendment protections on freedom of speech apply to government retaliation, not a private employer.
We do have a statute in South Carolina that protects employees from being retaliated against purely political speech. So if you said, I like candidate A, and your employer came and fired you for that, you could potentially have a case. But that wouldn't apply to things that are like hate speech or threats or things like that.
Osmond says that courts have a legal test to determine whether or not a person's content is considered vile. He says being fired by a private employer over what someone posts online is not a violation of the First Amendment. Osmond recommends that all companies have a social media policy, saying that's the easiest way for both the employer and the employee to know what's expected of their comments online. Reporting in Greenville, Ray Arena, WYFF News 4.